Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Docket Timberworks. How y'all doing? So here's some black walnut that we hauled off as a wood turning chainsaw party for our local turning group, the DAW, the Detroit Area Wood Turners. This walnut I hauled off from Marketplace. Again, both these haul-offs were free. So follow me along as I do this walnut haul and just see what you can get into and what kind of fun you can have. All right, we found this giant walnut. Pretty good sized one. The guy's giving it away. Here's the crotch that I split in half already. Look at that feathering. Look at that feathering. And then I split along the pith here and here to reduce the weight. Now we're going to split this one open.